Hi students, I am Mrs. R. Abhigeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, let's see the summary of the poem The Fly, written by William Blake. This poem is a prescribed syllabus for the 3rd BA English in Green Studies. About the author. William Blake was an English poet, engraver, printmaker and a painter. Was born on November 28, 1757. He is mostly known for his lyric poems Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience, which combine simple language with complex subject matters, and for his epic poems Milton and Jerusalem that contrasted the canon of classical epics. The Fly is a short poem from William Blake's Songs of Innocence. The type of the poem is, it's a short philosophical poem consisting of 5 stanzas of 4 lines each. The rhyme scheme of this A, B, C, B, except the final stanza which is A, A, B, A. The meter of this, the lines are quite short, almost nursery rhyme in style, and vary in length between 3 and 4 syllables. Now let's see the stanza-wise summary. In the first stanza, the poet, who is sitting outside in a summer, is thinking about a little fly whom his thoughtless hand, which means without thinking about it, killed. The poet is thus not happy with what he has done. However, his conscience wakes up after killing the fly. As a romantic poet, he is connected to nature, thus both the summer and the fly have a significance in his poetry. The summer symbolizes hope, prosperity and joy, whereas the killing of the fly symbolizes doom, blunder and something quite contrary to the former. In a second stanza, the poet compares himself to the fly. He asks the fly, it is in an imagination, as it is death now. In a rhetorical question, aren't both of them similar to each other? In real life, it seems to be wrong comparison. However, the poet here is talking in terms of their lives. Both of them are created by God, both live their lives, both have to die one day. Though fly has died now. In a stanza 3, it is a continuation of the second one. According to the poet, they are, which means the flies, they are similar in a way that they also dance, drink, sing. Like a fly, he also does the same thing. Until one day, when someone, which he means God, will brush his wing, that is, take away his life, and he did to the as he did to the fly. Here the poet focuses on 2 important aspects of life. First, both fly and on the poet. Both enjoy their lives, they dance, they sing and they drink and they do whatever they want. Secondly, both of them are subjected to death, which is inevitable. The fly was flying here and there, and suddenly the poet killed it with his own hands. Similarly, he will meet the same fate one day by the hand of a god, as he thinks. In the stanza 4 and 5, the poet says that it is the thought which makes him different from fly. It is good as well as bad. Good in a sense that it makes human wiser than the fly, and bad in a sense that it makes us fear from death. The poet says that for humans, thought is our life, strength and breath, and even the thought of is the death, and it is everything. Thus, if a man stops thinking, he will be as happy as the fly if he lives or if he dies. These lines are quite significant and reflect the message of the poem. The poet is of a view that our thought is something which makes us suffer, fear, and to run from the death. It is the hurdle in a way of our happiness. If a man stops thinking about death and starts enjoying his today's life, he will remain as happy as the fly. Thus, the poem ends in a universal message, that is, to live the life without thinking about the future. Thanks for watching this video.